Morning. So I'm getting ready to go to the gym and get my workout on. It's about 4:45 or something. And that's why I'm doing this because, teacher life, we got to work it in. We got to find the time to put the time in to get this health right. All right. So that's what the focus of this video is today. It's about educators and their health, educators and exercise. Let's get it. So if you're new, hit like, comment, subscribe, and the bell so you can tell when other videos are coming out. It's time to go work out, people. Stay hydrated. I'm done with my workout. Maybe an hour and a half or something. In any case, you gotta remember to hydrate. That's like number one. Especially like if you're in states like Florida, which is like heat index of 103 to 105. I mean, seriously. So don't forget to drink and keep drinking and drinking. And if you're working it out, then you're sweating it off and the water's coming out, so you'll be fine. Also, take a mental health day. You need to have a day when you don't have to worry about anyone, even if you can't afford a day because the family situations that you have going on, the family is depending on you and you're always going 100%. Find a moment, even if it's in the bathroom or you just step out away from everything for a minute, because you do need that time to be you, to kind of unwind and de-stress. You're going to have kids in your face all the time, administrators, the building, with all its issues and people, and then you have to go home to your issues and people and traffic. Take some time for yourself. Take a day if you can. Go to the spa, go to the doctor, go to the dentist. If you don't have a day, then once again, take a moment. You're going to need those. All right? So that's number 2. 3, you got to exercise, even if it's for a walk. I have a group of co-workers that, as a group, they go walking and they handle their health that way. They take care of themselves, they check each other, they make sure each person is keeping up, hanging out with the group and not lagging behind. They make sure they're hydrating each other. That's just one thing. They do it during the summer after school. It's a thing, so group up and make it happen, okay? Lastly, eat healthy. Hold on. Got my protein shake here. Eat healthy because it's something that's going to keep you going. It gives you energy. You don't have to be a healthy nut, but you got to have some form of healthy regimen going on because it's very important. All right, and those are my tips. That's one of my things. I need educators to be healthy because you're taking care of everybody else. I need you to take care of yourself as well. All right, until next time, check out my other videos. Thanks for coming to class today. Go out there and be great. Hey, go out there and teach.